my name is Rita Nye and I'm a Senior Consultant for Absolute Data Group. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use R4i Writer to view comments that have been added against a data module. Those comments could have been added by either an end customer or an internal review process. But what they've done is they've filled out the information using R4i Viewer to append the comment, and that comment's now come into the CSDB. As an author, I want to be able to review and update that. So I can launch my review window either via the review function on this toolbar or by launching the review function here. Both of them do the same thing. And what it does is it launches our window. We can see our data module on the left. We can see the preview on the right. And if we scroll down, we'll be able to see any of the comments that have been added into the document. And with that, we can click on to the comment, and you can see that it takes us to that relevant comment inside our document. So it's then going to allow us to be able to identify what needs to be corrected. So with this, we then go down to the content. We find that particular section, so we're talking here about the spokes. We can then review the information based on the comments that have been made inside our document, and we can then add the additional information based on the comment. So we can add it, we can revise it, we can do whatever we need to inside our documentation. And then from there, what we want to be able to do is we want to be able to put a response against this. So for this particular comment, I can then go click on respond. I can choose what type of response, and the choices are either interim or final. Either one, it's based on your standard procedures inside your organization. So if you fix this and you don't feel that there's any additional information, we can then put it to a final response. We then add the comment about what has been updated or revised for this comment. And we're now at the point where we've got this information controlled, and what it does is it now allows us to save this comment, or I could delete it. And that save means that I'm just saving that information. If I needed to add any additional information, I would continue to do so. Once I've done that, if I'm all happy with it, I then go save, and that's going to create my review package. And with this review package, we then want to append that into our CSDB. And to do that, we simply click onto the commit button. So that response has now been committed into the repository. If there's no additional updates that we need to do, then we can check this data module back into the repository, add comments as required into the check-in window, and go check in. Again, if you're not providing to set to publish, or if you need to change your status, you can do so. And we simply then go check in. And that then means that for this particular data module, a comment has been responded to, and the next time that that information is issued to the end customer or to the QA people, they'll be able to see that comment. This concludes the presentation on how you can see review data whilst authoring inside R4i Writer.